slow touch, brown and white. Like I go country, grab and buy. We can go bust, eye for eye. We can lose trust, white rum, fizzy pop.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, as you guys can see from the title of the video, today I'm back to show you guys a fully detailed hair tutorial of my hairdresser doing my wig. A lot of you guys always really like my wigs, and you guys like these videos when I tell you about my wigs, so I thought it'd be good to actually show you guys the process of actually just gluing it down, doing the wig cap method. I thought this would be good for any of you sort that wants to see the way my hairdresser does it. I'm going to put my hairdresser's details in the description box for you guys, so if you guys want to book through her, you guys know where to find her. Basically the hair that I am wearing in this video is by Nadula Hair. Once again, this is another Nadula Hair wig which I am obsessed with. The way my hairdresser done it, I am obsessed. Like, if you guys can see, she plucked it not too much, she gave me a little bit of baby hair, and I am obsessed with it, and I feel like this is just so natural. The actual video, you guys will see that we got to the stage of the elastic band, and for some reason I didn't finish recording. We were a little bit intoxicated. I made my hairdresser do it drunk because I trust her that much, and she did her shit. So I just thought it would be good to actually just show you guys the end results. I got my hair done on Saturday night, so I've had it Sunday, it's now Monday, and I can have this probably till Thursday. With the way she's glued it down, it could last me till Thursday. I just wanted to show you guys a full detail of how it looks without no filter and everything like that. This is how I do my hair drunk, okay? So that's how much I trust and how good I think she is and so talented. But at the same time, we have to give praise to Nadula Hair. The hair that I'm wearing is a frontal wig. As you guys can see, this is how far down the parting goes for this wig. When we done it half up, half down, which you guys will see. I've said it before, Nadula Hair quality is one of the best, and I will definitely be recommending them, and hopefully I can still be showing you guys some new hairstyles with them because I love their hair quality. This is a curly unit, as you guys can see. All I've done is put water, oil and conditioner in my little concoction, and I literally just spray it and I'm off to go. If you guys would love to see my hairdresser slay this wig from start to finish, then you know what to do. Keep on watching the video. All the details to this wig is going to be in the description box for you guys. Make sure you use any of the discount codes that they are in the description box. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Okay, so first things first, my hairdresser always used the wig cap method. She uses like a light shade, and what she does is she puts it on my head and then she cuts the ears so that my ears can come through. And what she now does is that she adds her got to be spray all over my hairline and slightly in front, just to secure the wig cap. And yeah, she just uses that, and then she uses the hairdryer, and she uses this on the cool setting, and she lets that fully dry, guys. You want this to be fully dry, and that's what she does for about like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, less than that. And then the next thing she does is she gets my foundation and she literally applies that all over my head. She tries to go as far back as possible for where the hairline, no, not the hairline, sorry, the parting of my frontal will be. So she just uses my foundation, and that's what she does. Yeah, she's just blending it in, as you guys can see, and she goes quite far back, and she just uses a foundation brush for that bit. As you guys can see, I'm just laughing. Next thing she does is she gets a really sharp scissors, and she starts off by doing it bit by bit, and as you guys can see, she's taking her time as she cuts it. She's making sure that she cuts it slightly in front of my hairline. She does it in a way where it's just really even, and she takes time with it. She picks off any bits that are a bit sticking out, and all these white bits she takes off, as you guys can see. So definitely take your time with it. So my hairdresser uses the Ghost Bond glue, and she does it in layers. So she'll do one layer, she'll start from the middle, and then she'll, you know, work her way around one side, and she uses a flat spatula, I think that's what it is. She says she uses it because it makes it even, the glue, so it's not bumpy and it dries even. And as you guys can see, she does it like lightly. She puts some glue slightly in front of my hairline and on the wig cap, and slightly behind the wig cap, if that makes sense. So we let it dry. She always says that you should let it dry where it's clear, and when it's drying, what she'll do is she'll pluck the wig. So as you guys can see, this is the Nadula wig, and she said it was really easy to pluck. She really liked the lace, and it wasn't too hard, it wasn't too thin. She just was really good at it. So this is how she plucks it. She doesn't really do much. She just uses really good tweezers and she plucks. So what's happened now is I'm obviously feeling my hair because I don't get how she does it perfectly, but she's adding another layer. So the first layer is clear, and then she'll add another layer of glue until when that gets clear as well. And she'll start again with one side and then work her way to the other side. And she uses a spatula and she kind of takes it a little bit behind my ear because obviously we're going to be doing an updo, well, half up, half down kind of do, so that it sticks well. As you guys can see, look at my hair. And then she's adding a third layer. I told her I wanted this to be really secured because I wanted this for a long time, and having your hair up down sometimes it pulls back the wig, so we want it to be really flat. So as you guys can see, we are just adding extra layers. And she doesn't use a hairdryer, guys, she just lets it dry naturally. So what she does now is she's pre-plucked everything and she's adjusting it onto my head. She's already did the elastic band method, guys. Unfortunately I didn't capture that, but she's basically just positioning it onto my head so that we can find my natural hairline. And because the glue is like tacky, we're in a position where we can kind of move it a bit before we fully press it down. And she takes her time with it. She sees how my hair is to see how far or how close it is to my eyebrows, and yeah, she just takes her time with it. As you guys can see, she makes it look so easy, doesn't she? Look. So she takes the sharp scissors again and she starts with the middle and she cuts it. And if something's a bit too far forward, she'll literally just take some of the hair and then she'll cut it with the lace, as you guys can see there. And she uses like a razor to cut it. She said she finds it easier to make it look natural rather than scissors. It doesn't come across straight. Any parts that's lifting or she feels that can, you know, be pressed down a bit more, she'll just go in again with that spatula and the Ghost Bond glue, and she'll just press that down. And yeah, she just takes her time with it. I really like the fact that she does that. It's really important. As you guys can see, she gets all underneath there as well, which is like behind my ear. And she'll take her tweezers, and with her tweezers she'll just take off any bits that she feels might need a bit more plucking, and she's just very delicate with it. She always does like sideburns for me, which I love. As you guys can see, she's just putting it behind my ear to check that it's perfect, it fits, and it can go behind my ear, because that's the one thing I love. As you guys can see, this side of my hair, it's already pre-plucked as well. Like the wig cap method just makes it look like scalp, which I love, guys. So I really do recommend it. So she's just pressing it down. I'm just having a little talk. So what she's doing now is she's basically just pressing down the hairline so that it's really smooth and gelled, and she's using like a toothbrush comb to do that. She's using the comb part of this, and she's just basically tracing and moving where the hairline, not the hairline, where the baby hairs are, and just making sure that side is just sleek and pressed. So now for the updo style, what she's doing it is she's already put a little bit of like water and conditioner in my hair, just a little bit on the roots, so that it's easy to press down, and she's just finding the parting. As you guys can see with the wig cap method, it looks like it's coming from my scalp, which is insane, guys. So she's just literally finding the parting. She's not doing it she's basically not putting a lot of hair at the top, just because we want it still to be bouncy and we want it just to be quite even. So she's doing that, and this is why it was really important for her to put quite a lot of glue on my head so that it really sticks properly. Look at me in my gas moment, just, you know, on the phone, whatever. So she's done it in an updo for me. So what she's doing now is, once again, she's just making sure all my sides are nicely glued, nicely and pressed. As you can see, she uses the got to be to lay down the edges and the sides, and once again she's just pressing down the top part of my head just so that it is pretty much like flat and perfect and everything is intertwined. She's a perfectionist, which I love. She knows how I like my baby hairs. I don't like it too much, I like it very subtle. And just to literally ensure that my top part of my head, the top part, is flat and not bumpy, she uses the hot comb, which she leaves on for ages, guys. So as soon as she comes to the apartment, she'll put that hot comb on and leave it on until when we are pressing my head. We then do the elastic band, and this basically presses down the glue, 100% security, and presses down the baby hairs, and everything is in place. So she'll leave that on for a good like 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll take it off. And what she's done now is she's basically taken a part of the top part of my hair and she's wrapping it around the hairband so we don't see the hairband. I don't know if you guys have seen that technique. It just looks a lot better and neater, and it makes that top part come higher as well. And yeah, guys, it's so, like, I can say it like it's easy, but she makes it look so easy, as you guys can see, and it's really, really quick when she does it. And she was drunk, I was drunk, so I trust her very, very much. I don't know who I was shouting out. So basically, guys, obviously we didn't finish recording, which is really, really annoying, but here is the final look and here are some photos of the hair. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you guys shop down below to buy this wig. And yeah, thank you.
Grab and buy, we can go bust, eye for eye, we can lose trust. White rum, fizzy pop, where you they go, we they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off, blam the trash.